Hello everybody, my name is Tyler Dine and welcome to Evil Within 2. I have been waiting so long for this game. I'm so excited to get into it. It's been a while since the first one, so let's just get right in. Oh boy. The first one gave me quite a few scares, so this one's just... Let's see, everyone knows I'm not casual. I ain't no casual, although I'm definitely not over the... This is my pace survival. That sounds like me. Aim assist. Slightly decreasing difficulty. Setting it to those with my first screen. You know what? I don't need no aim assist. Let's do it. Let's just do it. Homes engulfed in flames. Trapped fire kills child. Nanny. Oh, that must be his daughter. I didn't do a whole lot of research on this game. I was like, I saw that part, so that's about all I know. I was trying to stay away from as much press as possible. I wanted to keep surprise. Oh, it's a child's drawing. Bye, Mom and Dad.
No, this is not happening.
Right, Sebastian, Saver! Oh, wow, they really did. Graphics are nice and pretty now.
Oh God, Lily!
Get in there! Kick it. Kick it! Oh. That's hot. Don't go in there. That's hot. Alternate route!
Damn it!
Oh, we can't break the screen door. Good using your head, Sebastian.
Lily, I'm here! Where are you? Oh God, is she upstairs?
Oh! Brain says this way to save Lily. Ooh, this is creepy looking.
How did this happen?
It's a good question. Someone was trying to make ramen noodles and let the whole house burst in flame. Don't know how they did it, but they're that special. Come on!
I'm coming, Lily!
Why you no sprint?
Hold on!
Sprint faster! Do it! Come on!
I'm here, Lily! I'm here!
Ooh, tutorial time. Crouchy, crouch, crouch, crouch. Keep going. Come on, buddy, you're almost there.
Lily?
All the windows seem to be looking the same.
Lily!
Oh, wow, they really do a good
Where
job
are
on
you?
the facial expressions.
I'm here! Dad's here!
You weren't here for me, Dad.
Oh no, it's Grudge.
Lily! No!
You didn't save me!
Ugh. Ugh. Facey's all melty and stuff. I don't like that. Well, it's nice to see you're still doing well after the apparent disaster of the first one. Never mind. She's still here.
Kidman?
Hello, Sebastian. It's been a long time.
Yeah, screw you, Kidman. I remember
3 years. I've been trying to track you down for 3 years.
And you thought you'd find me at the bottom of an empty bottle. Is that it?
Oh, that's so clever. And why are you here now, damn it?
You didn't find me because they didn't want you to. Calm down, Sebastian.
You knew what was gonna happen in that hospital, didn't you?
What happened at Beacon is in the past. You need to forget it.
You sound just like that psychologist the Force shoved down my throat. But he didn't have answers. You do. You're gonna tell me about Mobius.
I'm sorry, that's classified. Yeah, the men in black are gonna come and take you away. Or the Matrix.
I'm here because of this.
Where did you get this?
Oh, I have a gun.
Lily's
Awesome.
still alive.
Aw, snap.
Lily is dead! I read the police report! I was at her funeral!
We can rewrite history if we want to. Staging a death is child's play. Why would I come out of the shadows just to lie to you? Lily is alive, and she's with us. But she's in danger. We need you to help save her.
Save her? What have you done to her? Get your hands off me!
Hater.
I was hoping you'd come willingly, Sebastian.
Hater.
We don't have time for this bullshit. We need you. Lily needs you.
Like again, Ray's like totally out of breath. Like, oh man, he really threw me on that table. Oh, it was so rough. Get the picture. Get it. It's okay. Nah. I must say, I am impressed with at least a little with the dialogue.
You're awake. Good.
Yeah,
Except her still hating.
great. Where are we?
Like I'm just okay with
You're
this.
in one of our facilities.
So this is the almighty Mobius, huh?
Be careful about what you say. You don't know how powerful they are.
They don't take kindly to insults.
So powerful they have to kidnap a washed-up ex-cop to help them.
At least your terrible sense of humor is still intact.
Enough of this bullshit. Where's Lily?
Patience. All your answers are right here.
Oh, this again. Great. Didn't see that
The
coming.
Beacon Mental Hospital incident was an unfortunate setback. But we used the knowledge gained to build a new and vastly improved STEM system.
What does this have to do with my daughter?
Imagine it. Millions of minds connected together. Happiness for one is happiness for all. This machine, this miracle, will allow our species to achieve greatness.
Gonna throw some air quotes around that.
We needed to start with a mind that was pure and clean enough to support thousands of personalities. The mind of an innocent child.
You connected Lily to that machine?
Your daughter is quite special. The most stable core candidate we've ever tested. Thanks to her, the new STEM has been a smashing success.
Smashing.
Until recently.
A little over a week ago, Lily vanished. Just stopped sending signals. Then the STEM environment began to collapse. We thought it was just a technical glitch. An easy fix, so we sent a team of Mobius agents inside. But then we lost contact with them, and STEM went dark.
Think about this, Mr. Castellanos. I am providing you an opportunity. Not only to see your daughter again, but to save her life. Something you thought you failed to do before. You can save her, or let her die. It's your choice.
That's right. Put me in. I'll get it done.
Good luck, Sebastian. And please, try to cooperate with any team members you might find in there.
Ha! No.
I know you don't trust us, but they have the same goals as you do.
That's all right.
Sure they
I'm fine by myself.
Sure they
Just remember
do.
to call me the moment you find Lily, so that we can begin the extraction process.
Extraction
I'll be out here
process.
for you.
Can't even look at you, Kidman. You stabbed me with medicine in
And
my
someone
neck.
else will be in there for you.
What the heck is that supposed to mean?
Are you ready?
Well, we got up there fast.
Be careful in there, Sebastian. We're counting on you.
Yes, we're counting on you to progress our diabolical schemes. Because we couldn't do it ourselves.
Stem entry in 3, 2, 1.
Let the nightmare fuel begin! Bubblies. Bubblies. Oh, hello. Oh, snap. It's that inverted gravity that I love so much. Like skydiving upside down through water. That lighting is really good. Kind of Ooh. Ah, yes, I land gracefully, like a swan. Oh, that's just got creepy written all over it. You don't just, oh, I can move the camera. You don't just casually drop the title there, in Advanced Darkness. I must say, I am genuinely impressed. They did like, one of my biggest grievances with the first one was the dialogue. Like, some of it just felt so cringy, especially like Sebastian. And I was like, they at least improved his a little bit. He sounds less robotic.
Where am I?
Where is I? Let's sprint. Consume stamina. Get to this house while I look at the opening credits for these awesome people.
Dad, help me!
I'm coming, Lily!
Dad!
What you see is only an illusion, Saba. Saba?
I know it's hard to accept, Myra, but she's gone.
Whatever happened to
Our
my
little
wife,
girl
anyway?
is gone.
No. I'll never accept
That's right,
it.
she was
You
investigator
won't
too, and
help
she
me.
died.
I'll find out the truth on my
Oh,
own.
that's right. Yeah. I remember now. I remember. It's been a while. It's been a
What the
while.
hell is this place?
Whoa.
Detective, we've got a call.
Oh dear. I remember that place. Man, that's just the liquid effects, like that fog. So nice. That's like legit good. They put a lot of work into this. It's just an opening sequence. I am impressed. Hello, phone. Phone? Walkie-talkie. Either or. Everyone knows you never pick up the phone in a horror game.
What the?
Oh my goodness, it's reading my mind. It's a fancy looking walkie.
Sebastian, are you there?
Kidman?
What?
What?
Snap out of it, Sebastian. You've made it in safely. How are you feeling?
Terrible. Like the worst hangover ever.
Don't worry.
Sure, that's
it will
it.
pass once your mind has adjusted.
Just a hangover.
You're in an area separate from the main system right now. That's how we're able to maintain communication with you. This construct is called your room. It's a safe zone that was formed from your own memories.
My memories, huh?
It's my safe space, guys. It's my
If
safe
that's the case,
space.
then where are my wife and child?
Even in my
This
nightmares.
place looks like my old office at Crimson City PD.
It was your subconscious that built it. You should ask yourself that question.
Oh.
Let's get down to business. We sent some information into your room. Do you see anything unfamiliar?
Unfamiliar. I would never keep this many post-its on my computer. Is that unfamiliar? Unfamiliar. News papel. A
Lily
drawing.
drew this picture of me. It was burned up along with everything else in the house.
I remember the drawing above all. It was truly precious. Like Academy level art there. Absolutely. Oh, more stuff?
My first commendation. Feels like another lifetime. I guess because it was.
Yay! Subtle backstory! Yay! Oh.
Cat. I don't ever remember owning a cat.
I remember you from the DLC! What was your purpose? Hello, folder. Ooh, a little. Oh, that's probably like one of those slidey
Slide
things.
projector.
Yeah,
Where
I'm
did my
smart.
memory dig this up? Elementary school?
Elementary school. A relic from pre-phone camera era. These are mostly found in old people's attics and estate sales. They can be viewed using the slide projector in Sebastian's room. Oh, thank goodness when they were building a horror game, they at least had a sense of humor. Oh, wait. Oh, the projector's right here. Let's see what's inside. Hello, kitty. Are you going to sit on my lap? Oh, you're going to run away. That's no fun. Ooh. Am I going to... Oh, I like that. That's nice. It's a warm family moment. Wait. I can talk to Kim.
Kidman, you there?
Always.
You wouldn't have told me about Lily if your damn machine didn't go on the fritz. I would have spent the rest of my life mourning her and you wouldn't have cared.
I cared, but I couldn't say anything. They would have killed me.
I'm not sure I believe you.
Why would I lie about that?
Because you're
To manipulate
Kidman.
me. To get me to perform like a good little soldier. You've lied to me before. Our whole friendship was built on a lie.
Okay, I get it. And I don't blame you for feeling that way.
You'll never know how I feel until you've lost your family.
I never had a family to lose. Just two people who brought me into this world and treated me like a burden instead of a daughter.
Better to have loved and lost? Is that what you're saying?
Maybe. At least you had people who cared about you.
Point taken.
Oh, blah, that's sob story. What are you, kitty? What are you? Is that brain goo? We got brain goo. We got brain goo. It's gross. It usually comes from dead enemies. If you elect it, you can use it to increase ability.
Thanks, kitty.
I love the level of comedy they put into their items. Because at least something's got to be a little lighthearted in this nightmare mess. Ooh, hello. Save terminals. Can you save your progress? Like we found the saved house in Sebastian's room. Alright, saving. Gotta save. I'm just gonna stick that walkie right in there. No save! Alright. Now they like to throw some extra things in here every now and then. I just want to be absolutely certain that we have gotten everything. Okay, we can't even go in there. Alright, venturing on! Into venturing on! Maybe there's a door over here. Nope, no door. Maybe I just need to go back in here. Ah, just kick it open. This is my room. I can do whatever I want. Do whatever I want. It's my room. Okay. Bye. Brain. Brain, find route to exit. Well, it seems I was defeated before the game even began. Do I speak to Kitty? Kitty? Where'd you go, Kitty? 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 Where'd you go? Ah, my kitty. Did I miss something in here? I'm legit lost. I just got here. I'm gonna feel so stupid when I see it. I know I will. It's like it was right there the whole time. The whole time. Is that a mirror? I remember that mirror. Oh, that creepy mirror. That creepy mirror. I hear the kitty, but where is Lake Kitty? Yeah, that kitty sounds so sad. Sad kitty. Sad Christmas! Sad Christmas. What is going on? Do I speak to Kitty? Maybe I missed something in the projector. Nah, he's probably just gonna sit there. No, these are all just bonus slides. What the heck is going on? Oh, you just hop back up there, whatever. You're on autopilot. You're on autopilot. You just go back. It's okay, though. I won't judge you because you're a kitty. Kitties can do whatever they want. That's a law. It's backed by science and stuff. I can move. Wow, that chair's actually got physics. It's pretty nice. It's pretty nice. Oh.
There are photos of a bunch of Mobius agents here. Your lost team, I assume.
That's them. Let us know if you locate any of them.
Of course
You're
they're
our
agents.
only line of communication into STEM.
They're all in their
Studying Union
30s.
And searching for Lily too.
Union?
This STEM environment was designed to look and feel like a small town called Union.
Great. So your experts need rescuing too, huh?
If anyone can do it, it's you.
Thanks for the vote of confidence, but I'm only here to find Lily.
There's more out before you go.
More info. Don't. Where is lay info? Provide me with lay info.
Lily, your team, and now me. We're all stuck inside STEM. I still don't understand why you can't just take them all out of their pods and wake them up.
It doesn't work that way. Without a core, we're totally locked out of the system. To forcibly remove anyone from STEM at this point would kill them and leave their consciousness trapped inside there.
Great. Mobius has got some stellar backup plans.
Stating the obvious isn't going to speed things along. You need to find Lily. Otherwise she, you, and everyone else inside is going to die.
Yeah, just remind me I'm going to die. Thank goodness. I like that they solidified the plot armor right at the beginning. What do we just pour them all out? It'll kill it, brain and fry and stuff.
Just like Beacon. Should be a way out.
The mirror
Why couldn't
portals.
my memory just make regular doors?
Yeah, good question.
Here we go again. Into the looking glass.
I like that the main character is making the build-up. She's like, alright, I know I'm in a game again. Let's do this. Chapter 2, something's not quite right. It's not quite right. Oh boy, more flashbacks. Those are some interesting looking dolls. Hey, it's my wife! Hey, wife! Hello, wife! Hello, daughter!
Lily, what's wrong?
What's wrong, Lily? It's okay. Bill's character. Whatever happened, Bill's
Doll's
character.
head is broke.
Ugh.
It's okay.
He built too much character.
Mom can fix it for you. She can fix anything.
Yeah, I didn't learn how to sew. Only your mom did that. Ain't nobody got time for sewing. Hey, man. Hey, man. Waiting for the creepy. Waiting for the creepy.
Sebastian?
I seem to have a migraine.
What's wrong? Are you all right?
Probably not. Probably not.
I've got a wonderful family. An
well,
amazingly
clean.
smart and beautiful wife.
It's a lot of adjectives.
Why wouldn't I be all right? Come here, Myra.
I won't lie, the dialogue is still a little cringe, but maybe that's just me.
You've been working too hard. It's making you delirious.
It just kind of feels like they're reading off a script.
Are you sure you're not coming down with something?
Oh, well, hello, Sparkles. Like, I really want to appreciate the dialogue, but it's just like, it just feels so clean. Like, nobody talks like that. Hello, Step. Oh, boy. Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Is this the right place?
It's the only way. It's gotta be. It's not like there were multiple mirrors to choose from. Wait. Everyone knows they hide something as soon as you come into a new room. Everybody knows that. And I'm mistaken. Oh, there's my stamina bar. Can I punch stuff now? Can I punch? Can I punch? No punch? No punching. Whoa, that is creepy. Oh, man. I don't like no tapestries moving with their own wills and stuff. I never did see where I can upgrade with my goo. I got my goo, but I couldn't see where to upgrade with it. Maybe I have my computer with all my post-its. Oh, whoa. Is that a picture of a door? Those never work out. Oh. Wait, what's this? Is that a name? Will? It almost seems like a will. I'm not gonna try to go. Man, just that physics where it just moves on its own. Oh, like it's really well done. I can most certainly appreciate that. This is an awfully large and empty room. Awfully large and empty. Oh, multiple doors. I have the power to choose. Never mind. No power to choose. Only the illusion to choose. They thought they were going to give me options. Oh, can I? Wait. I saw a flicker. Oh, can I use any of these doors? Did you waste my time? You can't just bait me with all these doors. Oh, back to the creepy tapestries. Oh. It's just... We haven't even gotten into this yet, and it's already freaking me out. I just take this to an hour because nothing's really happened yet as far as combat. Oh, well, there we go. Oh, it's William Baker. That's what it said. Oh, flashlight. I got a flashlight! Oh, yeah, last time I got a lantern. At least now I have an actual flashlight-oo. Yeah. What's that? Oh, ew! 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 It's like a mouth with... It's just a mouth. Not even the physics of a actual mouth. Just teeth. Just teeth. Ooh. Ooh, there's some mutilation here.
What the hell?
Oh. Hello. Oh, whoa. His, back of his head seems to be damaged.
That's one of the search team. Baker.
Whoa. Just that level of detail. Oh, ew! Oh, they slowed it down! Oh, wait, if I remember, the antagonist is like a photographer dude. This is his, sadisticness that is taking place here. Ooh, it's a bleto. What do they call these things? Black rooms? I'm so dumb. I know what it is. I just can't think of it. Ooh, hello. Is that a file? A file?
Sadistic.
Hey, sadistic.
Whoever did this must have enjoyed it.
Baker, the searching leader, was frozen in time when I found him. This must have been taken by the camera right by him. But how is that even possible? He slowed down time. That is... Oh, I can move it. Yay, I can move it just like that one game that let you do this even though there was nothing eventful on the back. Oh, thank goodness for that blank screen. I'm so glad I saw that. Oh, ew! Ew! Oh, okay, they're gloves. I thought it was an actual arm. I was like, yeah. I mean, I know that's just the tip of the iceberg as far as the gore looks, but... Oh, man, I'm a little skittishy with that. It's just like, bleh, like the level of detail. What am I examining? The floor?
Someone tried to block the way out.
Oh. Oh, there's a door there. I want to go back. I want to be absolutely sure I didn't miss anything. So it looked like there was another way. Ooh, can I open that? Nah, of course I can't. I just want to be absolutely sure. Oh, hey, another room. See? You always investigate. Investigate. And, well, there was nothing, but thank goodness I have a better layout of this house. That was the prime objective here. I'm going to scooch this over. Come on, Sebastian, use your muscles. Superhuman strength. There you go. Please tell me, just like in the chase scenes, where he's just like take a sweet old time. Or like, can we get some adrenaline here? We have a situation. The nightmare is chasing us. Oh boy. Hello, creepy dripping house that was poorly maintained. Oh joy, the phones that call themselves. Let's see who's there. Ooh, it's an old payphone. It's even got like the 10-cent ones. Hello?
Hello? Shit. Who was that?
Crank call. Even in nightmares, they crank call you. Rude. Oh, Manuela Roberto. Manuela. Is that the name of the guy? I don't think that was his name. I don't think so. Do not think so. Locked. Everyone knows those are always locked. Whoa. Is that a hand dancing? Oh, those creepy little dancing hands. Dancing. Empty corridor. Couldn't tell if that was just a headless wrapped corpse or what that was. Ooh, a crouching scenario. For crouchiness. What's that? 5-2. To applicant SVA. Extravagant letter. Congratulations, Truth Seeker. Thank you for taking our spiritual acuity test. We are pleased to welcome you to the next level of knowledge. Please report to the nearest Mu Center with this letter to ascend from probationary applicant to the position of Mu Disciple. This letter guarantees you an exalted position at the next cleansing ceremony. Handwritten on the back of the envelope. Lies! All lies! Well, duh. Anything that says disciple is usually lies. All the wacko cults. We don't make you a disciple of it's not a cult. Trust me, it's not a cult. We just gather and do weird things. It's like a club. It's a club, guy. Oh, whoa, hello. Who dat?
Hey! Damn it!
Oh dear.
What's going on here?
It's a good question. Oh, I can still put my hands in there. Like, that didn't work. I should make sure. Oh yeah, I forgot I can do that. I just wanted to be absolutely sure the game will let me interact. It just remind me that it's locked. Ooh, creepy chair just sitting right there. Creepy chair just sitting right there. Thank goodness chairs don't move. Did I turn on my flashlight? I'm gonna turn it back on. I think I was trying to Call of Duty sprint. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh my goodness, there's even. Oh, whoa. There's even more creepy tapestries. I couldn't tell if that light turned off on its own or what. Ew. This. Oh, hello. Hey, guy. You, Oh. Oh, dear. There goes your organs, and you seem to have stopped time with your photography.
What was that?
Shit.
Stop. Entering is press B and facing a valid cover point. Moving cover. Move on cycle around the corners of the front and along the display, move in the direction of the. Alright, so we're Gears of Warring this. Oh, yay, they're gonna teach me and stuff. Whoa, 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 whoa. You didn't see nothing? I wonder. I'm so confused. Whoa, move forward, please. Move forward. What are you doing?
Who the hell was that?
Oh, now you move. Yeah, who the heck was that? Right, cover. Gotta get in cover. Duck and cover. Run. Oh, whoa. Hey, I can do that? Whoa, I can sprint to stuff? Hang on. I gotta experiment here. Get in there. Oh, I gotta hold it. Getting cover. Whoa, hang on. That's weird.
Just like the search team member.
Whoa. Oh, ew. Oh, it slows it down. I'll try this cover one more time. That's an interesting system where, like, if you just hold it, it'll just take you there. Okay. Well, you're dead. Bye. I came here for one reason, and one reason only. My daughter, Lily. Ooh. I must say, the art team really outdid themselves with all these creative pictures. Like, because they're everywhere. I imagine the work it took to put all these up. It's just, ew, we got some Picasso-looking crap right there. Oh, creepy clock. That's just bad news. I keep forgetting to turn on my flashlight. I keep forgetting. Oh, hello! Body dragged into room. I can open that too. Oh, hello, I. Nice to meet you, I. I can't punch yet, can I? Oh, I don't like that sound. Is that Chainsaw Guy? Oh, hoppy hop. Ooh. Oh boy. Oh yay, file number 3. Another face of Modi's uniform, well lit and in focus. It looks like a gun was used to shoot him in the head. Yeah, I saw that. Anything on the back? No? Just gonna let me look anyway? Okay. Just gotta keep the can collide for that one picture where it was lies. Okay, was that everything in here? Oh, you're just trying to give me the goosebumps. Then give me a picture and tease me. Kick it open. I got stuff to do. I got big plans. Oh, there are multiple paths to victory here. Oh yeah, that phone's off the hook. Ain't nobody calling that. Thank goodness. Run, Sebby! Run, Sebby! Whoa! Creepy looking eye. Oh. I do not like any of this. Oh! There seems to be a drop there. I wonder if would sprint trigger jumping that? No. Okay. All right. That's just dead end. Deado endo. Ain't nobody going through there. Oh, time to go up to creepy looking clock. A lot of eyes. Really into eyes here. I see what you mean. Like that old tired pun away. Old and tired. Oh, hello. Just gonna freeze here. I'm shocked. I'm trembling in fear from the photographer. Is he still there? Should I be stealth? No, I think he's gone. They won't jeopardize me yet. They have not provided a weapon. You'll never see me between these well-separated pillars. Ever! Ew. Yeah! What is that? There's like arms and stuff. Ew! This is like Sander Cohen from BioShock level creepy. And somehow I'm okay with that.
Christ.
I love Sander Cohen. Ugh. What does it say? Rebirth. Ew. Oh, you're gonna give me a bird's eye view. Ew, their heads are missing. Why are they missing? Why do they have flowers? Is he a florist too? Did I just close my eyes like, I can't look at this. I can't just look away. I must avert my eyes completely. That is yuck. 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 Can I open that? Can I touch it? I can't even touch it. That's how close it is. Oh, hello, elevator. Hello, elevator. Oh, good. All of them are covered in blood except for none of them. Some have less blood than others. Maybe I should go to those floors. Or it could be a lie. And those are the floors where you die. It's all a wacky scheme. It's a very lengthy intro. It's like we're still getting into the thick of it. Yeah. Maybe I should turn that off. Oh, I think I want to turn it back on. Ah! Ah! Ew!
Oh.
Ew! Ugh! Man, they really aren't pulling any punches here. This is like, it's like next level creepy. Ugh. Oh, I don't even want to get between you. Oh, please tell me there's an alternate route. Ugh! You can even hear the rope twanging. Ugh! Okay. That didn't seem very bad. Oh, can I? Oh, okay, I can't move that. I'm confused what is in here. I don't feel like they just give me this and then nothing inside. Oh, creepy eye. Can I interact with it, maybe? I remember those from the DLC, you could. Okay, we're just going to assume there is nothing. Oh boy. A camera. Oh, oh, hello. Just janking up the room. Oh, this creepy little silent door changing crap. Ah! What a shit dong. That douche is. Well, the eye appears to be his insignia of sorts. At least the creepy hanged ladies are gone. So, there's a plus. Man, a lot of this I can. Oh no, I think I remember this from something I saw. Oh, hello, I look very scared.
What the hell?
Very surprised. Oh boy, I remember the. Oh, you're so creepy! Oh, ew! Ew, it's like a. Yeah, like, is that your spine? Oh dear. Run. Keep going. Run! Don't look back, that's a rule! Keep going! Go. The boxes are our enemies! Hop it! Sprint, you turd! Go. Close, lock. Okay,
Trapped in here.
I remember this.
Or maybe
Climb. Keep going! Climb! You gotta want it! My hand's still in here. Why is my hand still hurt? Keep going. Keep going. Yeah. I hate it. It's always when it involves like girls or something, where it's like a menagerie-looking body Picasso thing. It always freaks me out.
What the hell is that thing?
You have to like see the spine. Ugh. Hi, Rat. Bye, Rat. Not my gratular! Little buzzsaw! Who? I just want to know the art team. Who designed that? Who just came up with that? It came to me in a dream. It was just extra creepy. I had to share it with the world because I'm a... Ugh.
Oh, I don't hear it.
That's a problem. We need to hear it. Oh, hello, girl. Oh, look, there it is.
Are you kidding me?
No, we're not kidding. Run. Run, please. Sprint. I told you to sprint. Keep going. Run. Oh, hello, creepy photographer guy. Are you going to help? No, you're not going to help. Oh, boy. Just going to take a knife to the heart. I'm A-okay, though. Don't worry about me. No. Ew. Ew. Oh, creepy ants. Let me go with creepy ants. Ew, 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 ew. Ew, ew. Quick time event. Do it. Do it. Kill it. I'll do it. Yeah, at least get one of the heads. Oh, I do not look forward to killing you in the future. Go, 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 go. At least we have a knife. At least, maybe the broken monitor from the 80s will save me.
All right. What the fuck is going on here?
What you think was gonna go on? You've been here before. It's like let's just forget everything that happened in the first one. Automatic health. What? Because your life coach, your life is up to a certain point. I remember that. Okay. You're trying to find a safe house. If you're in combat, you're not gonna find a safe place to hide. Okay, come on, regen for me. I forgot I limp when I'm hurt. Good, good. Oh, save me, Bill Gates. Oh, at least I have a knife now. Thank goodness. I didn't like they gave me the fist icon earlier, but I couldn't punch people.
And now where am I?
That's a good question. Where are you now? And why can't I use my goo yet? I like my goo. Oh, oh, can you open that? I keep forgetting I have a flashlight. Ooh. No, 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 no. I remember you could hide on no closet stuff. Hey, that looks useful. Journal and pen hash. The handwriting in the journal is neat and precise. Final entry reads as follows. Just got the call. Now I know the reason for all the weird schwa that's been happening in the last few days. It's the worst possible scenario, but at least I don't have to pretend anymore. The things I've seen, they've all changed. It's too late to save them. It's time to put my training to practice. May God have mercy on their souls and mine. Ooh, I can't tell if that sounds like something Sebastian would say. But who knows? Why doesn't anybody ever throw out their trash? Always in like horror games, there's trash piled up. Forget the gore. This is just pure negligence. But okay, it's your house. Just ignore the blood. Hey, look, a conveniently placed gun.
Where were you when I needed you?
Where were you when I needed you? There were monsters and stuff, and I needed a gun.
Maybe this is the right place.
Maybe this is. How would you know? Do you remember creepy swamp-looking place?
Lily, I hope you're here.
Spoiler alert, she's not here.
This photo. Fire lost in the fire. Blah blah blah. Lost the. Aww. She even drew a butterfly there.
What did I get myself into?
That's nice. I like that. That's nice.
Kidman?
Sebastian, where have you been? We lost you.
I don't know. But it sure as hell wasn't a quaint little town. There's something bad happening in here, Kidman. Baker is dead. There's a killer running around in here, doing things that are... It's like Beacon all over again. What the fuck did you just send me into?
I don't know. We're in the dark out here. Baker was the team leader. If he's dead, that doesn't bode well for the rest of them.
Really?
Keep searching around. The more info you gather, the more I'll be able to help you.
Yeah. Sure.
Yeah, sure. Not very confident in that. Oh, for the falling is flashing. Ooh, I got a burst handgun. Whoa, weapon parts. High-grade weapon parts. Medically. And herbals. I got herbals. Ooh, 3 shots are good to in the standard ammo, even though it shares the same ammo. Oh, that doesn't sound very useful. I don't even think I want that. I don't want to waste ammo. Gunpowder. Oh, they're borrowing from Resident Evil. That's cool. High right, start weapon. Unlock weapons upgrade potential. He's got so much potential. Oh boy. Better than a medical syringe. We crafted from herbs. So there's one of these crafted items. Okay, well I just got a bunch of stuff. How may I interact with it? Ooh, hello. And oh wait. If I recall, there was like some sort of radial thing I could use. Select weapon from our arsenal menu from the menu. Weapons considered and then use it. Okay. Well, we always stick that there. Oh, red. What the heck is red gel? Rah! Back up! I got a gun! I'm afraid to use it. Well, they said I had a bursting gun. I was lied to. I was told. Can't just. Blah 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 blah. Ooh, compoon ants. I was told I'd have. Oh, change type. Whoa, hello. Well, let's just set that there for now. I just don't think I want to go wasted burst ammo. That just seems dumb. Anyway, I think I'll cut it off right here. Thank you all so much for watching. I'm just going to keep right on going, but yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Bye!